The Gozney Tread versus the Gozney Roccbox. Find out which pizza oven will be the best to buy. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Gozney Roccbox versus the newest oven on the Gozney lineup, the Gozney Tread. This is going to be just basically kind of versus. Hopefully at the end of this video, you could determine which oven you like the best. If you're still deciding which Gozney oven to go for, hopefully this video will help you. Over here to my right, we're looking at the Gozney Roccbox. This is basically the oven that started the whole Gozney enterprise. As you can see, there's three legs all the way around. Looks more cylinder. And then over here we got the Gozney Tread, which again, if you're familiar with the Gozney Arc, it's the same layout. Visually, both are very good looking. Depending on which one you like, that's what the one you go for. With the Gozney Roccbox, you have a flame directly in the back of the oven, and the Gozney Tread, you have a flame that goes arcs over, just like the Arc XL. Now, as far as both being portable ovens, definitely are both portable ovens. You could take anywhere. The Gozney Roccbox is sitting at about 44 pounds, so it's a little heavy versus the Gozney Tread. The Tread is about 30 pounds, and it does have two handles on top, and you could also get a case with this, so it's a lot easier to carry. It does have a stand versus the Roccbox does not have a stand with it, but again, it does have three legs. So they both run off of propane. With the Gozney Roccbox, you can also do wood if you get the attachment. With the Tread, fortunately, it only runs off of propane. As far as heating up time, both have been on about medium for about 15 minutes. So let's take a look right at the center of the Roccbox. We're looking about 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Switch it to Celsius, we're looking close to 380. With the Arc, we're looking at about 473, so it's not as hot. 244 Celsius, and again, that's on middle or medium heat. If I go ahead and now turn this all the way up, which will do so here right in the back. In the Gozney Tread, you have it here on the side, which I'll go ahead and do that as well. As far as the stones, I believe the stones are going to be about the same. These ovens are made to heat up quick, but also cool down quick. So if you are using these for pop-ups or camping, it'd be easier to transport as well. I'll plug all the information down below of each oven. So if you are looking to get into a Gozney oven, I'll post some links as well. That way you could also buy an oven. Supports me, supports the channel, so I really appreciate that. I'm gonna be making 2 cheese pizzas. I'm gonna go ahead and cook them both at the same time and see if, which oven makes the better pizza, and you can make that decision towards the end. So if you've made it this far, like this video, comment down below either the Tread or the Roccbox. Which one do you think will be the best oven? All right, so we're about 30 minutes in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ovens now. Roccbox is sitting right in the middle, around 850, 860 Fahrenheit, 478 Celsius. If we look at the Gozney Tread, we're looking at about 760, 780 Celsius. We're looking at about 420. So right off the bat, 30 minutes in, the Roccbox is going to heat up a lot faster. Both flames are on high, but really at this point, you could really cook in both of the ovens. And so that's what we're gonna do. Let me double check one last time here. 749, 800. So what I'm gonna do at this point, just to make sure that both ovens are cooking out at the same temperature, I'm gonna get the Roccbox turned down just a little bit. And by the time we make some pizzas, then the ovens should be both around the same temp. I'm gonna go ahead and make those pizzas now. I won't bore you with that, and then we'll be back outside to cook. All right, so we have both pizzas here. I'm gonna go ahead and go both into the oven. Let's go first here into the Roccbox. All right, and now we're going into the Arc. All right, I'm gonna get both of them turned down to about low. And we're gonna go ahead and watch them cook. Again, the Roccbox is gonna be here to the right. Again, the flame is going to be on the very back, so we want to make sure we're watching the back. And then here on the Gozney Tread, the flame's going to be on the right hand side. Crusts are looking both good. They're rising pretty nicely. It's smelling good. Looks like the tread needs to be spun, so I'll go ahead and get right underneath that. Spin that right there. Then let's get to the Roccbox over here. Doesn't look like it's cooking as fast, but we go all the way around. We'll come over here to the tread. Tread is definitely cooking a lot quicker. So let's get that one. And it's definitely a lot hotter, the bottom. I wasn't expecting the bottom to be too hot. But yeah, the Roccbox isn't cooking as fast, but the tread definitely is cooking a lot quicker. As you can see, I'm really having to pay attention to that one. So I'm gonna get this one turned up just a little bit. Start getting that crust. And just like that, we have the Gozney Tread one finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this inside. While that's cooking, let's just take a look at that bottom. Bottom definitely did get a little bit more burnt, so I'm gonna get this inside. All right, so we're now cooking. Let's get that side in there. All right, so we're about to finish here. Yep, and just like that, we're cooked in this one. Let's take a look at that bottom. Bottom definitely got a little burnt, but let's get inside. All right, so just the way that the pizzas went into the ovens, on this left-hand side, we are looking at the pizza that was cooked in the Gozney Tread, and this one was the Roccbox pizza. Both was the same dough. It was this actually was a 24-hour pizza dough, 65% hydration. It's my combination of Caputo Pizzeria flour and some bread flour, all-purpose flour. I'll plug that recipe up above. As you can tell by this pizza, we did just get a little bit more color here on this side, but overall this side looks really nice. This was the pizza that was cooked in the Roccbox. Have just a little color here, just a little there, but overall looks pretty good. If we're looking at size comparison, the tread, even though that they are both 12-inch stones, you are able to get just a little bit slightly bigger pizza in there. So just by comparison right away, that one is looking a little bit bigger. As far as like heat and cooking time, again, to heat up, the Roccbox heated up just a little bit faster, actually way faster than the tread, but it did take a little bit longer to cook. The tread did take a little bit longer to get to temperature, but it cranked out the pizza really fast. And I don't know if that's just the way the flame goes over the top, but the tread definitely cooked a lot quicker. If we take a look at the bottom, let's take a look. Fortunately, the bottoms did get pretty burnt, really crispy. And then the ovens weren't too hot, around 750, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but the stone is a little bit different than what I am used to. Overall, the pizzas both look good. Definitely going to be able to eat them both. Let me know which ovens you guys will get. Both are really nice ovens. The Roccbox is the OG to Gozney, so you're going to see that a little bit more. The Tread is the newest oven. I like it. It's a little bit lighter. I like the way the flame cooks. If I had to make a choice between which oven I would want to get personally, I would probably do the Tread. It has nice flame. It's lighter, different colors that you get with it. And so overall, I think that the Tread would be the winner in my case. Comment down below what you think.